I've created a 2-minute video that your child can watch right now, and I really believe that any kid who has any inclination toward computers and technology will be extremely motivated to learn coding with me once they see it. My free online course is designed for kids between 9 and 12, and it shows them how to make their own video games, websites or apps using real code. So it's not just an educational game, it's the same programming language that actually all of the big tech companies use. See, I've been teaching kids coding for over 5 years now, and as an educator I have to do a lot of things. Of course, I have to teach in a way that's fun and entertaining, but also easy to understand and effective. Just as important though, I also have to motivate my students and entice them to keep going, especially when it gets difficult. And that's why, as just one of the many perks on my website, I've added a diamond reward system into my course, which ultimately lets kids earn gift cards when they progress through the curriculum. So look, if you know a child and you think they have what it takes to maybe be the next Steve Jobs, Bill Gates or Elon Musk, and you want to completely unlock their potential, or if you're legitimately concerned that your child could be at risk of falling behind in a time when we have quantum computers and artificial intelligence taking over the economy, give it a try today and see if coding might be your child's hidden talent and superpower. Coding teaches super important skills such as problem solving, abstract thinking, and creativity. And if kids learn those when they're still young, it can really set them up for success. So again, if you want your child to learn the skill set of software developers and the mindset of tech entrepreneurs, then send them over to my website cc4k.co and have them watch my 2-minute video so that I can turn them into a successful expert coder. It's totally free for them to learn how to make their first program and how to write real code, so get set up with a laptop or desktop computer today and send your child to cc4k.co.